Hi there, Titans. My name is Paige, and today I'm going to show you how you can use the simple join list feature on your text settings, elements in Titan Web. So here is a text element, and you can use the same functionality on any of your text elements in Titan Web. So let's just go and show you how we use this. Now, simple join list is used for whenever you're pulling in multiple records from Salesforce, and this text will be kind of containing a list of information from Salesforce. So let's go into content. I'm just going to call this dynamic so that we can remember that this is going to be pulled in from a Salesforce get. And yeah, we're going to just turn on, I'll actually duplicate it so that we're able to see both. So copy, paste, dynamic, call this one dynamic 2 and save. And now let's do our Salesforce get. We'll create a new one coming from the contact. Say get names for text fields. And then user action. We'll say up to 10 names. And then on the mapping, I'm just going to do first names here and first names here so that we can see the difference between the two. Awesome. And now I'm just going to set it to run whenever the page loads. So Salesforce action and get names for text fields. Next, apply, save, and let's turn on the simple join list for the second one so that we can see the difference. Okay, so let's preview. In this one, you can see that each value that came from Salesforce is separated by a comma. And then in this one, you can see that they are not separated by a comma. So the simple join list will basically just remove commas from records that are retrieved from Salesforce for your text fields. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that this helped.